problem number 20. This is actually a good problem to pick numbers for the variables and plug into the answer choices for several reasons. One, there are variables in the answer choices. It's the variable p. Secondly, the variable p is something quantifiable. So a lot of times problems like these, they'll have something like, Bob has X dogs, Jill has Y oranges. In this case, the amount is P dollars, so it's something quantifiable. And the last thing is they'll have this verbiage in terms of P. So if we're picking numbers and putting them back into the answer choices, we can actually get rid of in terms of P. Also, this is a percent problem. A lot of times I like to use the number 100 as a starting point. So it says Alma bought a laptop at a store that gave a 20% discount off its original price. So a lot of times with percent problems, starting off with 100 is a really good choice. So let's say the original price of this laptop was $100. And then it gave a 20% discount off its original price. So the discounted price was $80. If you don't know how to do that, you can certainly use your calculator. This is section 4. So you can take 100, multiply it by the discounted price, and then subtract that price, 100 minus 20. Another way to do it is if you take 20% off 100%, you're left with 80% of the original price, so you can also multiply by 0.8, giving you 80. So let's backtrack a little bit. The original price, $100. Discounted price, $80. The total amount she paid to the cashier was P dollars, including an 8% sales tax on the discounted price. So P, that's the discounted price, which is 80. Sorry, I don't know how to spell P-R-I-C-E. Discounted price plus the 8% tax. So it'd be 80 times 0.08. So the tax would be $6.40. So we just would add this to 80. Alternate way is 80 times 1.08, or you can skip a step. So it's $86.40. And then it says, which of the following represents the original price of the computer? So we can cross out this in terms of P part. So the original price of the computer is $100. So in this case, we actually picked an original, another number, and we backed into P. So P is $86.40. So all we have to do is plug this in to A, B, C, and D and see which one gives us $100. So you just take your calculator. This is 0.88 times 8640. So I already know that this is not going to be $100 because we're multiplying 8640 with something less than 1. But if you're not sure, you can always just plug in $86.40 times 0.88, or 0.88 times $86.40. $76.03. That's not $100. Let's try P divided by 0.88. Again, P is $86.40. 86.4 divided by 0.88. That's $98.18. not $100. Let's try this. 0.8 times 1.08. 0.8 times 1.08 times $86.40. $74.64. That's wrong. We're looking for 100. Lastly, it's P divided by, be careful here, P, $86.40 divided by, this has to be in one quantity. So you have to make sure you're using your parentheses correctly when plugging it into the calculator. 0.8 times 1.08. And that gives us 100. The reason I say be careful is because a lot of students will do something like this. They'll take P, $86.40, and they'll divide by 0.8 times 1.08 without using the parentheses, and you won't get 140. What this is $86.40 divided by 0.8 times 1.08. See how this is obviously different from this, so it's important to use the parentheses correctly. $86.40 divided by the quantity 0.8 times 1.08. That gets you the right answer, 100. So again, very good candidate to pick numbers and plug in. In this case, we actually picked another number. Since it's percent, we picked the number 100. 100 is a very good number to pick when with percent problems. We backed into P, and then we plugged P in to the answer choices in order to get the correct answer. See you on number 21.